Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, the president of Elite. Thanks so much for joining us. Today I'm joined by a dear friend of mine, a fellow that I've known for many, many years that runs an amazing business in a great state of Maryland. I can tell you it's called Motorworks, and you're going to love this. It's only open 4 days a week, and he does staggering numbers. One of the things you're doing as a business development coach with us is you're always helping these guys and gals build their businesses. Absolutely. You shared a tip with me earlier about what you do after the end of the year. Could you share that with our audience?
Absolutely. Has to do with creating a single sheet of a compensation benefits explanation for every employee. And this is going to include all of their production wages, their regular salaries, all of their benefits, meaning their uniforms and PTO, sick leave, that kind of stuff. It all is in one place. It also includes what the company puts in for profit sharing, what the company put in all year for the 401k for them, and also the investments, what their investments have made for the year. So the idea is it gives the employee an idea on what their total benefits package, total compensation package brings in for them each year, and they can compare that from one year to the next, and they've found it very helpful. So try to put it all in one place for them.
Boy, there's a great tip from a really great business owner. He walks the walk. Don't hesitate. Apply this.